Hi, my name is Tim Crook. I am founder and CEO of Legal Pirates. Today I am going to introduce our most advanced invention, iPhone 12 Pro Max Lite. This is our most advanced iPhone ever. What? So our last year claim was false? Whatever. With ceramic shield, it has 4x better drop protection. Actually, you can do the math here. We are not including charger in the box to decrease e-waste and increase our revenue. iPhone 12 Pro has 6.5-inch Super Retina XDR display. What does that XDR means? It does not make any sense, but it sounds cool. To include 5G, we have decreased 15% battery size because you should not waste your time online on social media and being a keyboard warrior. So earn money, buy our MagSafe charger for $39 only. Our new iPhone has Hollywood grade camera system. What? Why are we shooting this with red camera? We can use iPhone 12 Pro Max camera. We have a world best exchange program. If you exchange your one kidney, we will provide you iPhone SE 2 Lite, Delta, Beta, Gamma, Pro Max. Introducing our iPhone 12 Pro Max for $999. What? This is too much. I will get free unit. Yes? Yeah. Okay. For $999 only. That's all folks. Thank you for watching. Please like and share and subscribe. Peace out.